Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Colera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today's video, we are here inside Dolly Spring, one of D.R. Horton's new community, the Heartland Summit Phase 3. This community is offering two floor plans, one for $37.65 and $44.25. They only have the model 4425, a two-story home. This home features 6 bedroom, 4.5 bath, and 3-car garage. And this home has a multi-gen suite. So let's go inside and check this house, you guys. So before we go inside the house, you guys, I'm going to show you the multi-gen private entrance on this side. So right here, this first door, this is the door leading to the 3-car garage. And this is the private entrance leading to the multi-gen room. Unfortunately, this is locked, so I cannot show you guys. But let's go inside the house to show you the entrance to the. So welcome to the 4425, you guys. As you see here, there's a keyless entry, video doorbell. And as soon as you get in, you will be greeted with this nice open foyer. Far ahead, you will see the open layout area. This side right here, there is a linen closet. Another storage over here, which is the coat closet. And also there is a powder room on the first floor. So as I told you guys, there is a multi-gen room over here. I think this is the door leading to the 3-car garage. Another linen closet over here. Then there's plenty of storage in this house. So this is the door to the multi-gen living room in this area right here. Like what I said, this is the private door to the multi-gen. Small kitchen over here, refrigerator. Also, it comes with the washer and dryer. And I'm going to show you the bedroom. So this is perfect. Nice bedroom. There is a walk-in closet inside. And right here, you guys, I'm gonna show you the private bathroom for this multi-gen. Right here is the walk-in shower. This features dual sink vanity. Okay, let's go check out your modern kitchen. As you see here, there's tons of space. Just imagine yourself being in this open layout. Love this huge island in the middle with granite countertop. There's I love that they extend this counter right here. Love the backsplash. Love the color of the backsplash. Stove top, there's oven over here. Also the microwave, another oven. Right here is your walk-in pantry. By the way, in this house, the refrigerator is part of the upgrade, but you know, we can always negotiate with the seller. Right here, you guys, this is the space for your dining table, and this is your living room. I love this wall. I don't know if this is a wallpaper or an actual wood. I love this. There's tons of natural light coming in. So if you are the kind of person who would love to entertain friends and families, and you have a big family, this is perfect for you guys. Okay, you guys, let's go upstairs and check the rest of the house. Game on! This is the loft area right here. There's also a perfect space for entertaining. You see here, there's plenty of bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 right here. It's a nice space with a walk-in closet inside. And right outside, there's a shared bathroom with dual sink vanity and walk-in shower. Another bedroom over here. And also in this room, there's a walk-in closet. I think all of the bedroom comes with a walk-in closet. So this side, this is the primary bedroom. This is huge, with the walk-in closet here. Now I'm going to show you guys the primary bath. What I noticed is they uses the same granite in the bathroom. You have your own tub, walk-in shower on this side, and dual sink vanity on this side. They also use the same granite countertop. And there is a linen closet inside this primary bath. And right here, this is your water closet. Okay, you guys, we're gonna check the rest of the bedroom on the other side. Right here is another bedroom. This is larger than the rest of the secondary bedroom. Right through the window, you would see your neighborhood. In this bedroom, you guys, there's also a walk-in closet. And another bathroom over here. Features dual sink vanity, and again, they uses the same granite countertop with 2 dual sink vanity. Right here, tub and shower combo. And another bedroom over here, you guys. This is a huge house. So if you have a huge family, this is perfect for you. Right here is another walk-in closet. And now I'm going to show you guys your laundry area. Again, they uses the same granite countertop. Washer and dryer is part of the upgrade, but we can always negotiate with the seller. Again, you guys, this is the 4425 plan. Original price on this is $837,990. They brought down the price to $799,990, which is a good price. If you are interested of owning one of this home, before you come visit the community, make sure you call me first so I can help you. You can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. This community has 114 HOA, and also there is a SID, which is 1,436 a year. Before I forget, I'm going to show you guys the backyard. Unfortunately, the door is locked, so we're going to have to go outside to see the whole backyard. So I'm going to show you guys your backyard. The covered patio is included in the backyard when you purchase the house. So the good thing about this house, you guys, right now they're having they're offering up to $15,000 on closing cost, and provided you will close at the end of the month, which is June. And also, if you get FHA, their rates is 5.25 for FHA and VA, and 5.75 for the conventional. Again, if you're interested in owning one of this home in the Horton at Heartland Summit Phase 3, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.